Real quick, before we jump into this video, we got some big news.
We got a brand new website, thejourneyhq.com, and it's officially live.
It's now linked on our YouTube, so if you want to grab a shirt or a sticker, head on over there.
Every purchase helps us keep building these trucks and making these videos for y'all.
We seriously appreciate the support. It means the world to us.
Now let's get into this video. Here we go, Classic Truck Nationals 2025. We got the merch booth set up. Chase is having some technical difficulties with our cash register system they're trying to get figured out. The rain is coming down a little bit, but we ain't gonna let that stop us. We just talked to Sean. There's already 600 trucks here. It didn't stop anybody else. So we're gonna take you out here and show you what's going on. Do a couple squats and tell you about it, eh? There ain't a car guy alive who hasn't daydreamed about having a cab over with a rollback bed on it, towing your cool ride around on the back. This one, I don't know who owns it as per usual, but it is super nice. The interior is beautiful. The doors aren't open on it because it's raining out here, but the bed is super nice. I don't think they've had anything on the bed of this one, but the truck is clean, clean, clean. So if you've daydreamed about having one of these rollbacks for yourself, or if you have one, let me know. You ain't cool until you got a bagged grill to cook all your food on when you come to the car shows. These guys got it going on. They're at everything we go to. It's the coolest barbecue pit in Texas, I promise you that. Boy, I'm a sucker for these Fords on the floor. You don't see as many of these, even as the dent sides and bump sides, but these early 60s Fords, God dog, they look good. My buddy Jonathan at BBS Customs is building one right now. It's gonna be a super nice truck, but I love these floors on the Fords. That's what I love.
What's up, people? How y'all doing? C10 2025. It's a rainy one, but it's a good one. As always, JB C10s signing off.
This is my friend John's truck. John Galindo, J.Galindo74. Give him a follow. Dude, there's just some things that never get old in this scene. And a laid out square body doesn't have to have the fanciest paint. Just the stance of the truck, the wheel choice, it slams, literally. It slams, but it just looks awesome. It never gets old to me. I like the white, I like the trim, I like the wheels. Even those C-section scars look good. I like them, it gives it a little character.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
What's up, friendo? How you doing?
How's the day turning
When'd
out
you
for
get this?
Oh man, I've had it for a while. I just never used it.
Oh, I never seen this.
I
This is
know.
nice.
Yeah, so I can haul the truck around and I can put all my stuff up here and sell right on. So now I don't have to get anything out. It's all on the trailer. So you can literally walk on.
So your truck goes in here too?
Yeah, my truck.
That's
My truck is
gangster.
14 foot.
So people can see it coming down the road.
Heck yeah.
What?
You're nice and jealous.
What? I don't know. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Why haven't you had this out?
It's just so much work.
Come on,
I know,
dog.
man.
This thing's too cool to say it's too much work. This is not. Come in here and check this out. Golly. So all your stuff will fit inside there?
Yeah, everything will collapse up and we'll just walk it in, close it up, and then we can literally load the truck up and go.
And you got your laser.
Yeah, so now I can do things on site. I don't have to worry about going home and ordering stuff or whatever. I can still do that stuff if people want it shipped, but for the most part, if they want it done right here, right now, I can laser it out. I can cut their, all their cool little designs or tchotchkes or whatever. We can do
Yeah.
their keychains or, skateboards.
Dude.
I know.
This is a cool
I
setup.
know, right?
I've not seen this style
know,
setup
yeah.
before. Did you spec it out yourself?
Right, yeah, so I'd never seen anybody do it before, and I'd always see this happening where people would set up their canopies or whatever, and then rain would happen, and now everybody's in the mud or whatever. This way, I'm in control of every aspect.
Yeah.
Of it. I don't have to worry about anything. If I want to go, slide it in and leave. I've got nothing to do with nothing.
The fact that your truck is right here going down the road, but it's covered up here, but people can still see it, it's like
I know.
a Hot Wheels toy.
I know. No, you see my vision.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're BBS Customs. We're online, all social media, so Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Everybody loves TikTok. And we have a website, bbscustoms.com. You can order anything from our website, or if you catch us at a show, we can do it all on site.
So thank you everybody to coming out for Classic Truck Nationals 2025 here at Leonard Park. We had a blast. There was a huge turnout, especially with the rain that came through. We cannot be more thankful.
Thank y'all. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we had a great time. Thank you again.
I never even saw you today.
I came back several times, and every time I came back, you were gone.
I passed out like 400
Why were you
flyers.
sleeping?
Sleeping.
You said you were passed out. I'm sorry, dog. I can't stop with the dad jokes. I can't stop. We had rain today at Classic Truck Nationals, and we worked hard to bring you the footage we got. We got as much as we could with what we had going on. Wes had to help me. He was holding the dang umbrella with the camera under it while I was standing in the rain, so we didn't get the camera wet and we could bring y'all coverage. And it was still a great event. 600 trucks, great event considering the weather. Sean and the guys, they kicked it butt.
This was a great show. You didn't see much of me. I was busy selling our merch for the first time ever at a show. That was good. It did all right for being rainy and
Cool.
crappy weather, but you know what? That was good. Guys, remember, do what makes you happy. We'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun.